Thriller movies. Till the end of movie, you are in a quest on how or when it started and continued. Also, who did all of this? It will grab our attention, and by the end of movie, we will be excited how it unfolds. Also, thriller movies are equipped with intriguing script and best performances. So here we are with our picks for best thriller movies. Get Out. This is a modern horror movie where you will find a reason for whatever happened. You will feel tense throughout the movie, and by the end of movie you will just be awestruck by the way it directed and performed by the characters. No movie is ever before made in this way. You will find a story which has no point taken from conventional thriller or horror movies. Just imagine how did this movie won Academy Award for original screenplay. Gone Girl. This psychological thriller is a well executed dark mystery movie. You will just get stuck with the movie till the end. Director David Fincher is well acclaimed for his work on thriller movies, proved himself again with this movie. As suggested by the title, movie runs around a woman who is missing and story goes on in investigative and flashback modes revealing the final truth. Sherlock Holmes. Who don't like to see the best detective solving a case? And we feel no one can pull off this role with ease unless it is Robert Downey Jr. Throughout the movie, you see him solving a case. The thought process or approach he uses to do so is well received by audience. Sherlock Holmes and Watson combo in an entertaining way while solving the mystery takes this movie into a special space. Shutter Island. This one is an epic thriller movie. Starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo, they made us all engaging throughout the movie. You just can't neglect this movie either performance wise or story wise. Also, you can't imagine how engaging it is, where you will question yourself whether you are thinking in a right way or not throughout the movie. Prestige. Okay, thriller movies are just incomplete without Christopher Nolan. With screenplay and direction of Christopher Nolan, this movie holds a special space in thriller movies. With feature-rich cast of this movie, the acting and performances of the characters make the audience pleasant to watch this. This movie stars Christian Bale, Hugh Jackman and Scarlett Johansson. This thriller movie is about the rivalry between two best magicians who were used to be friends, and the story goes on showing the tragedies and acts performed by them. Not enough with one? Here is one more movie by Christopher Nolan, which is written and directed by him. Inception. This sci-fi thriller cum action movie is mind-bending film. Starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Inception took the movie making to a new level, and the hard work paid off with 4 Academy Awards. In this movie, Nolan used a concept which makes us to travel into dreams and solve few things. Knives Out. This is an investigative thriller movie where the film follows a master detective investigating a death case. The way the truth uncovers and feature-rich performance by bunch of actors make this movie worth watching. This movie is taken very well with fancy cinematography and eye-catching performances. Also, we will misjudge the suspect and plot will grow even more gripping with essence of suspense. Now You See Me. Another movie with magicians. This magical heist movie is most entertaining of all movies from here. With the mix of fun, mystery and investigation, this movie is well made to entertain the audience. In 2 parts, you see great robberies performed with a sense of their magic and became very popular as well. Searching. Unlike any other movie here, this movie is completely a genius, and throughout movie you see mobile TV or PC interface. That's what it takes difficulty in making such a kind of movie. A father trying to find his missing kid goes through the social activity of his kid to trace and unfold the mystery on how she gets missed. It is just brilliant and takes lot of guts to make such a kind of movie. Scream. Even though it is from 1990s, this movie can attract you a lot. Whenever this guy comes to kill, the scene intensifies and it will be very intriguing to the viewers. This is a scary thriller movie where it is surrounded by sequential murder cases.